Welcome to this video on installing Comet browser on your Windows laptop. Comet is a fusion of a search engine, research assistant, and study helper. Comet simplifies the learning loop. Instead of the old loop of multiple steps, the Comet loop allows you to ask a question and get a summary instantly, reducing cognitive load and simplifying assignment preparation. Before installation, check the minimum system requirements. You need Windows 10 or 11, a 64-bit processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 500 MB of free storage. If your PC runs Chrome smoothly, it's ready for Comet. The installation process has 3 steps. Step 1. Acquire the file by visiting the official website and downloading the Windows version. Step 2. Execute the file in your Downloads folder by right-clicking and selecting Run as Administrator. Step 3. Initialize by accepting the license and allowing it to launch automatically. Migration is seamless. You can sign in using Google or email. With one click, you can import bookmarks, passwords, and history from existing browsers, ensuring zero data loss and immediate continuity. Comet acts as your always-on tutor with a built-in chat powered by GPT and Claude. Use cases include explaining complex topics, solving math problems, drafting essays, and instant translation. The browser itself becomes a teacher. It offers rapid synthesis and comparison. Zone A is an instant summarizer for pages, PDFs, and videos. Zone B uses multi-tab comparison to analyze multiple sources simultaneously and produce one combined explanation. Experience frictionless interaction with 2 key features. Voice mode allows you to ask verbal questions using Shift, Alt, and V, and get voice and text responses. The ecosystem fully supports Chrome extensions, so you can keep using tools like Grammarly and ad blockers. Comet gives you a student advantage with automated research and better notes. Traditional browsers are libraries. Comet is the personal teacher sitting beside you. The final steps are download, install, sign in, and start asking.